guys, Frank with Midnight Chaos. Got some new shirts in. What y'all think about it? I like them. I got some new IS update stuff, so stay tuned. So as you can see, we got the wheels off. Terrence is here. DTD wraps. We're gonna get my wheels wrapped today. He's already started. Hood shit with backyard shit. My man's working and shit. You know what I'm saying? So, you know, it's exciting. You know what I'm saying? Take these things and turn them up a little bit. You know what I'm saying? See, little Terrence, he didn't turn his up. I'm a little jealous. We got the BMW looking fire. We did this like a couple days ago. And man, does it look great. More to come with this too. So, wrapping the rims ain't going out too well. So, yeah. So we're not going to do that anymore. We're going to phase 2 and we're gonna paint the rims. So, Lil Terrence is going to the store to get the paint that I want and he'll be back soon. Yeah, I thought I was gonna be able to wash the car. But now, rain clouds are coming in. It's kind of a bummer. Need to clean the car out more. Sweep this crap out. Still want to wash it. Get a wax on it. Alright, we about to get this shit going. We ain't gonna be able to film everything. We ain't got a stand or nothing. So, check it out. Woo! So yeah, we're gonna show y'all, you know what I'm saying, what's going on. Ooh, they getting wet. It's getting wet. Oh my God. I want them to look something like that, but we gonna see. What's up, guys? So this is my day 2 journey. Couldn't finish it yesterday because of the rain and some other delays. So I had to throw the car back together and do what I had to do. So now we're gonna finish up. Okay. Got the first coat on them. Fuck me, man. This fucking rain cloud just came in over my head. You could hear like rain dropping and shit. God damn it. I'm under a tree, but it's like, fuck. I'm gonna have to move this shit into the basement or something.
A few moments later.
Man, damn. Damn nature in all its glory or whatever. It's fucking up my glory. I'm gonna set up a spot down here. Maybe clean up a little bit. My girl workout shit. Get it out the way. Spread. Alright. Got them all cleaned up. We gotta do a little bit more cleaning. That one looks great. I kind of messed that one up a little bit, so I had to fix that. So, yeah. The rain slowed down. I'm be putting it back on. Alright guys, I got the front two wheels back on. They look moist. It's moist outside. Moist boys. Yeah. Need to clean the tires up a little bit more. But what do you guys think? I like it. I think it's a little fresher than what it was. Cleans the rims up. Give it a better look. Alright y'all, car's done. I'm happy with it, you know. Might need to fix the interior, fix the headlights, they look like shit. You know, a couple of ins and outs, suspension. If you guys are liking the content, appreciate it if you would subscribe to the channel, give us a like, and I'll see you soon with more updates with the IS300. Peace. Check out the Instagram. Fucks with the Instagram and subscribe.